Wait, you are still trying to memorize your script before you record in 2026? Nah, come off it. That's why it takes you forever to finish one video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you free teleprompter application you can use right now on your mobile phone, and it's going to change how fast you make your content. Stick with me. This is going to take few minutes. Real quick, if you want more AI tools and creators tips like this, hit that subscribe button right now. I drop videos like this every week, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. Here is the honest truth. One of the biggest reasons creators slow down is not lack of ideas, it's filming. You write your script, then you forget it. Next thing, you make 10 mistakes and you get frustrated, you don't post at all. Sounds familiar, right? I've been there. And this fix is simpler than you can think. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need to memorize anything. You just need a teleprompter on your mobile phone for absolutely free. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use free teleprompter application on your mobile phone while you screen record, so you can see exactly what you are doing step by step. First thing you need to do is to open this particular teleprompter. I recommend this because it has amazing features. I've used so many teleprompters and this is one of the best so far. Okay, click it to open. We'll have amazing interface. All right, down here we have settings. On the settings, let's explore. On the settings, you have option to increase the font of the script you input on it. You can choose text align, left, center, right. You choose how you want it to be. Mirror, you can turn your mirror off, horizontal and vertical. Over here is on the text, okay? And on this A box here, you have this text extra, how you can increase it up or take it down, okay? Take it up or down, how you want it. Transparency, if you want it to be transparent or you want it cleared, all right? So guide, you need to have this guide, these guidelines that shows you if you are the middle and all that. And background has white or black, so you decide how you want to set your teleprompter. Over here, you have timing. Before you start recording, it will have like a countdown. You put it on or you put it off. Pre-roll 5 seconds. These are how you do it. An amazing thing with this teleprompter, it has amazing features. You can record with your front camera or back camera, and the quality of the camera, it has 4K features. It has amazing features, 4K down to 720p. All right. So you decide the one you want to work with. And back here, you have the grid, show grid, mirror, front camera, and all that. So this is one of the best teleprompter out there. You click on the down part, and over here, pencil here, you can input whatever you want to talk about, any video you want to make. And on this free version, you have 750 characters you can input here, which is far above 1 minute. So you want to make videos, if it's 5 minutes video, you can as well input like 4 or 3 times. Over here, you have your 5-minute video done. When you are done editing whatever you put there, okay, I draw videos like this every week, so you don't have to figure it all out on your own. You click on save. It has AI features on it as well. So down here, it has a mic and it has a voice detector. This voice control scrolling enable, it helps you to control how the teleprompter flows. If you say, for example, you click on this record, this is the countdown, it shows you here. When it's head to 1, you see I drop videos like this every week. So if you take a pause, it will wait for you. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. It will pause and wait for you. And down part here, you will see the seconds is reading as well. And the voice control is on as well. So when you are done recording, you can click on stop. You click on the stop button, it will load. You will see a preview of what you record. So you see, I drop videos like this every week. So if you take a pause, it will wait for you. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. It will pause and wait for you. It have down part here, you will see photos, seconds, you can share it to another device, and the voice control for later. You click on so when you are done, you can add captions. You can even edit your video on here, just like they do on CapCut. Edit, add captions, add logo, image or logo, add text, green screen, resize, add music, trim, start/end, enhance eye contact. You can enhance your eye contact. If your eye wasn't showing directly on the camera, some people might notice that you are reading from somewhere. From this enhance eye contact, it will make it looks natural. No one will notice that you are reading from somewhere. This is absolutely amazing. And when you are done editing, if you want to edit here, this is resize. You can click on the resize, square, portrait, and landscape. You decide what you want. Okay, when you are done on this part, you go back. This is the preview. And when you are done, you want to save this, you can decide to click on save to photos. It will save automatically to your device, or you share. When you get to the share part, you can now take it to wherever you want to take it to, airdrops, email, messengers, and so on and so forth. So when you are done, you can edit on CapCut, merge them together on how you want them to look like. All right. So let me know on the comment section if you'll be trying out this teleprompter. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content on how you can make good money for yourself using AI in 2026. So see you guys on my next video. Cheers.